Hey guys, so as I completely messed up with my last channel, Lucy Pennington, and I completely neglected it, I am now going to be doing a weekly vlog. This will be coming out either every Wednesday or every Saturday, or any other day of the week where I can actually be bothered. So, whereas sometimes it may be a bit boring and you may not want to subscribe, push all those feelings away and do it anyway. That's kind of my views in life. Today, at the end of this, there will be a small survey because it is my business studies homework. But just to liven things up, I'm going to be telling you some of the sad stories of my life and some hilariously funny ones that include other people, so they will definitely get shout-outs afterwards. Just a little video, just a little video, just a little video made by me for you. First up, we have what I like to call the bin incident. This happened a few days ago. In fact, it wasn't that long ago, which it did happen. And I did say to Casper that it would be making it into my video. Basically, I don't actually know the full story, but all I know is that I looked up and Casper was standing in the bin, or at least one of his feet were in the bin. He couldn't get his foot out. So he walked over to his chair with the bin still on his foot and tried to pull it off, making most of the rubbish inside of the bin start to come out with his foot. It was kind of funny and kind of disgusting at the same time. But I said it would make it onto one of my videos, and so it has. So hi Casper, huge shout out to you. So I'm guessing that people who I know, such as Sam Lawson and Liam O'Grady, are probably wanting me to mention this, seeing as everybody I know who knows that I do this finds it absolutely hilarious. Basically, I sneeze like a kitten. Now, if you don't know what a kitten sneezes like, just come and find me and try to make me sneeze. I can't speak today, oh my god. So try and make me sneeze, and I mean seriously, like sometimes I'll be like, ah, and then it'll just come out and everyone's like, you are so pathetic. Oh my god. But basically, this is the sound I make. I was actually doing a video and I sneezed, so I decided to use this sound. Right, that wasn't even a fake sneeze, for God's sake. You could ask any single one of my friends and they will tell you that is not a fake sneeze. It is so embarrassing. Oh my god. I mean, I was in the middle of class once, and it's like one of those really like echoey rooms. We were doing trampolining, and all of a sudden I sneeze, and it's just like echoing. I'm just like, why God, why? So, loads of people have pointed out to me before exactly how posh my voice sounds. There goes Skype again. And I was listening back to myself doing this video, and I realised, oh my god, I sound so posh. Like, seriously. Literally. If I was down in Phil, I would say literally I sound posh. And I've never noticed this before, but I only notice it when I listen to myself saying things over and over again. And so, here's the thing.
I was reminiscing just the other day while having coffee all alone, and Lord, it took me away back to a first glance feeling on New York time. Back when you fit in my poems like a perfect rhyme. Took off faster than a green light go. Yeah, you skipped the conversation when you already
this is something which personally I'm really embarrassed about. People have heard me sing before and they're like, "Oh, Lucy, you're a really good singer." And I know that there are people who are horrific singers and don't even care and they sing in public, but I'm not too keen on singing in public. I'm quite a confident person when it comes to acting and things like that. But in class, I won't read out unless the teacher makes me, and I refuse to sing unless it's not very complicated. In music last year, I decided that I would try to get over my fear of singing in public and decided to sing. And one of my friends who was with me heard me sing and they're like, "Oh, it's really good." And then Sir had to go and invite my head of year in to listen to the class playing, and in the class was me singing. So during that, one of my friends, I'm not going to name because it would be mean, started laughing at me. And because she was laughing, it put me off. My confidence went completely, and I let the class down by completely stopping singing. And I just faced the corner and went bright red. And that's mostly why I don't sing in public, because I don't want my friends to laugh at me, and when they do, my confidence fails me completely. And it's a fact which I am extremely embarrassed about. So yes, something which you didn't really know about me, in fact some things which you didn't really know about me, such as kitten sneeze. God damn it. But yeah, so I hope you liked this video. Comment, subscribe, share, like, anything you can. Even recommend it to your friends. So if I can get over 100 subscribers, I will do any challenge of your choice. I'm not even joking. But just make sure that it's not 100 different accounts with the one person doing the subscribing. But if I get over 100, I will do a challenge of your choice. If I can get over 200, then I will do a day in the life, and during that day in the life, I'll tell you what day I'm doing it, and I'd like you to message me saying exactly what challenges you want me to do throughout the day. Thank you. Hope you like it, and I hope you subscribe. And again, if you don't really like some of my videos, and you don't feel like subscribing, just push away those feelings and do it anyway.